The market pump continues. Is it real? I'm Darren, and this is 3 things you need to know for Thursday, November the 16th. After a few lackluster ERs, Target stores jumped almost 18% in trading yesterday. This after Target reported a 36.4% earnings increase to $2.10 per share, while total revenue declined 4.2% to $25.4 billion. Walmart is set to announce results today. Some reports say it will be more expensive to pig out at Thanksgiving feast this year, while others say it will be as much as 4.5% less. The main ingredient, turkey, is cheaper by about 6%. The UAW's tentative labor deal with General Motors could now be in jeopardy as more plant workers vote down the contract, with total union opposition potentially in the majority. Factors such as pensions and distribution of benefits are concerns for many union members. Trade while you sleep and across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech info.
As you go about your daily life, look closer. Every year across America, a staggering 4.2 million youth are homeless or trafficked. Covenant House is the national leader providing safe housing for youth, 50 years strong. Every youth who walks into Covenant House gets clean clothes, hot meals, medical care, and a safe place to sleep. So, look closer at Covenant House and help us fight youth homelessness. To help or get help, go to covenanthouse.org.
Thinner with widening effects? The effect of weight loss drugs such as Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro is having an impact on more than just the healthcare industry. These drugs have been shown to help control blood sugar and dramatically lower weight in clinical trials. Patients have described a decrease or even a complete absence of appetite while taking this type of drug. Novo Nordisk, the maker of Ozempic, reports that sales are up 58% this year alone. Wall Street investors are betting against the food and snack industry, which has helped to drive the obesity epidemic in America. The S&P Food and Beverage Select Industry Index has seen a decrease of 12% over the last 3 months, although it is hard to prove direct correlation between the popularity of Ozempic and this drop. Healthcare companies that provide devices for bariatric surgery or diabetes devices like insulin pumps have also tried to soothe nervous investors about reduced demand. Johnson & Johnson's third quarter sales for devices used in abdomen surgeries was down, as many obese patients opted for Wegovy or Ozempic instead of bariatric surgeries. Clothing brands say that shoppers will need to update their wardrobes, because they're smaller. Even airlines are saying that fuel costs could go down due to lighter flyers. Remains to be seen if this narrative will fatten or slim down in the months ahead, as data continues to be fed into results.
I don't remember how it started.
Go to that.
Our back and forth. It always came back. Dad! You probably don't remember what you told me.
That was perfect.
But I heard every word.
The Picks of the Day! That's right, it's plural 3 for Thursday. Arbitrage algorithms have signaled a possible uptrend in the future for the following 3. First is Urigen Pharma Limited, that's URGN. They specialize in urothelial and specialty cancers. They closed Wednesday at $11.58, 52-week high of $24.13, and a 52-week low of $7.08. Second is First Trust Low Duration Strategic Focus ETF, that's LDSF. They focus on short-term U.S. debt. They closed Wednesday $18.46, high of $18.81 over the last 52 weeks, and a low of $17.73. The last one is GSI Technology Inc., or GSIT. They specialize in memory products primarily for the networking and telecommunications markets. They closed Wednesday at $2.52, a high of $9.80 over the last 52 weeks, and a low of $1.45. Remember, we are not financial advisors. Please do your own research. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.